So London Bridge City, did you know that we share around 99% of our DNA with chimps? Chimps are family.
Yes, people, I that them said chimps are our family. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am walking around London with Ronaldinho. Yes guys, so I heard about these chimps and Ronaldinho was also telling me a little bit about them, and I decided I wanted to go and see it for myself because I was watching TikTok and I saw a video of this young lady and she was a bit upset, so I wanted to see what it was all about. Now I am not gonna make this video a big deal. I'm just having fun and I'm just having a laugh as I go along, and